And he lines it into center field for a 2-out single. Is that one going to go off the wall? Kim's going to come around and score. It's an RBI double for Baldwin. It says a lot in a tough season. Ground ball, diving stop. Ha-Seong Kim throws to second, but he's safe. Appearance strains his shoulder. He hasn't returned since. But that was an arm they were hoping could be a big boost for them. Kim flies to center, 2 down. Ooh, did that hit Kim? Yeah, it did. By a pitch, that's how you want to do it.
100%.